I'm Sam from Mower Magic, and today I'm just going to unbox a Sherpa Folding Cart. This is going to be a really easy video for me because it's only one piece and it's already constructed. So let's open that up and have a look. Once you get that out of the box, you should have two things. You have your instructions, which are nice and simple and clearly laid out, and then the cart itself. So I'm just going to take this base out of the transport cover. We'll come back to that in a second. I'm just going to take this transport cover off. So you've got two Velcro straps, one on each side, and then a zip here. Just unzip, and it lifts off like so. And then we've got the cart itself. So it's held together by another Velcro strap here at the front. So we just undo that. You can grab any two corners, and it folds out like so. They're really easy, and then once that's unfolded, we just put the base in to give it a nice solid base inside. And the handle just pulls up, and then we're ready to go. Now that we're all set up, there are a couple of really nice features I just want to touch on. So the first is the wheels themselves. So they are plastic on the outside, but the internal is a nice rubber grip. So you're going to have a really good traction against a lot of surfaces like muddy ground or stony shores or even sand on the beach. And speaking of the beach, I've got my trusty bodyboard here that I want to use the cart to transport, but it's a bit too long. Well, that's not a problem with the Sherpa Folding Cart, because it's got a tailgate at the back, which is held on by two clips, that lets you extend that and have some really nice storage for some longer bits as well. And these have a 150 kilo carrying capacity as well, so you can fit a lot of great stuff in there. But once we're done, and we've got everything where it needs to go, folding it back up is ever so simple as well. Just need to pop the base out, and that folds up. And then inside, it's just a little tab here. We can just pop our fingers through, and pull up. Just squeeze that together, and then we'll do up the Velcro that we had earlier to keep that all together. And just press this button on the handle, slide it, and there we go. Just need to put the cover back on, and then we can go in the back of the car.